What's up, old school homies? I'm going to show you guys my sunglass collection. These are my Oakley gas cans. These are a really neat sunglass that everybody had at one point, and that's kind of what killed their popularity. Even your grandma would probably have some of these on after a while. I mean, they just fit on your face like a glove. So, I mean, they kind of look like a loke too, so the cholos wore them, the surfers wore them, the skaters wore them. Then the mailman wore them and nobody wore them. They came out with an updated version. Did I just hate on mailman right there? That's pretty fucked up. They need to wear sunglasses. Why would I hate on the mailman? It's so fucked up. Alright, they came out with an updated version. It's no different, really. It's a little bit sleeker and like rounder. I just bought these on clearance because they were $50 and I got them in more of like a laid back color. You know, this is polished brown smoke with dark bronze lenses. A real subtle kind of a color, and when you put it on your face it gets a little bit darker. You can't get those kind of effects without trying it on in the store, so had to get those from some surf shop that was closing down in the mall or something like that. $50. What else do we got? I got the original Ray-Ban Wayfarers. Now, I didn't buy the original ones. They actually started replicating the originals to the exact specifications and making them in Italy. So I was like, alright, they have a case here. Made in Italy, acetate frame, glass lenses. You could see the little RB inscription right there. They were made to the exact shape of the originals. And what's important to know is they were quirky, just like me, you know? They just had a lot of weirdness to them, and that's why they were good. Now, they don't fit on everybody's face. I have a small face. They wrap around my ears nice. They're a real big lens, but even though they're a big lens, they're kind of a small frame. And if you have a small nose, this part's always going to hit your cheek. So if you have a small nose, it might just roll down. That's what I've heard other people complain. So try them on in the store and see if they hold on to your cheek and your nose at the same time like they do for me. Don't be buying like $175 sunglasses online just to find out they will not fit on your face, because that's why they changed the Wayfarer. The angle and stuff, it didn't fit on everybody's face, and it kind of lets a little bit of sun in, being that you're angling it forward, but it's just for style. You know, we just bought those for style, and I never put those on. These I bought for style, but I put them on constantly. These are Sabre Vacations. It's a really good brand that came out. They've been around for a long time, but it was more of an optical brand more than a sunglass brand. So more of their sunglasses look real plain and round. I just picked out the weirdest kind that they had, and we got some like gold and real snazzy. These were supposed to be like the original Ray-Ban Clubmaster, which is a really old iconic sunglass, and I really did go to buy the Clubmasters, but these were just nicer, and you know, the hinges were a little bit more heavy duty, and let's be honest, it's a little bit more funky.